What? Find the car with a metal detector? Seryozha, that jerk hid everything. Oh! Got it! Look! This is a car. Ah! 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 Ha 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 ha! This is so much fun! Hey everyone, it's me again, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or just Via.
Oh, be quiet. Hey guys, hi everyone. Today I have a challenge for your video.
What kind of challenge? Why should I be quiet?
Yeah, a challenge you definitely won't be able to handle. You have to get out of this abandoned forest in 60 minutes.
How is that supposed to be hard for me?
You have to get out by car. Give me the car. I'll drive out of here.
No problem.
Find it. Come on, you have 60 minutes and $1,000 at stake.
Yeah, finding a car with a metal detector, that's kind of crazy.
No, it's not crazy. The car is here. Well, actually, it's scattered in pieces. And by the way, your time has already started.
I need to hurry. I don't want to lose $1,000. Let's turn on the metal detector, and with its help, we need to find the car. Basically, build the car out of junk.
I need to find the car under the snow. Damn! Oh, damn. Loser. And it's not enough to just find the car. He also has to drive away in it under its own power. Otherwise, Via won't get his $1,000, and he'll have to give it to me.
Yeah, screw you, Seryozha. I've found even harder things. Of course, you could search forever. Go left, go right. But I'm smart. Seryozha probably hid it this morning or yesterday, so we need to look for tracks. And when we find the tracks, we'll know where to look. Come on, let's go. A whole hour to find the car parts and build a ride out of junk, like it's nothing. Hey guys, look, there are a bunch of tracks here. That means someone definitely hid something here. We'll find everything now.
Let's go. Via, have you considered I might be walking here on purpose just to get in your way? Exactly. Look, see, I went this way.
Damn, this is really ruining my strategy. Get lost. You know what I think? Since Seryozha came here, he's protecting his money. That means I'm on the right track. Great, a signal. Oh, there's something here. Look, guys. Wow, it's a wheel. Nice try, Seryozha, but I still found the first item.
What do you think? Will you sit on the wheel and ride off? Remember, time keeps ticking away.
All right, fine. Damn, I need to say more. Here are more tracks. Look, where will they lead us? Oh, something was done here with a shovel, but unfortunately, there are no signals. We need to move on. Look, you can clearly see signs of some kind of camouflage here. We need to hurry, really. One wheel is definitely not enough to get out of here. I need at least an engine and a gearbox, everything else. But I can also make it out of wood and other stuff. I've already won a similar challenge, only in the summer. You can use the hint to watch that video. It was hilarious. I think today I'll win again, Seryozha, but first I need to find something that will help me do it. Oh! Got it! Signal! Oh, look, there are some wires here. Could it be an engine? It's heavy, so it must be an engine. You need to know... Oops! Oops! No, this is not an engine. I don't understand. Wait! Ah! It's a gas tank. Guys, look!
Oh!
Awesome! There's even gas in there. That means we found fuel. That's cool. Without it, we wouldn't be able to go anywhere.
You still can't go anywhere, dummy. You still have 40 minutes left.
Damn, I need to hurry. Get out of my way. Get lost. He's getting in my way on purpose. There's probably something else hidden over there. See? Over there? Yes! Yes! Great. Oh, a steering wheel. Damn! These are all important finds for assembling a car. But this won't help me get away. Damn! Oh yeah, I need to hurry. So far, I haven't found anything really important. I need to follow these tracks, then we'll definitely get somewhere. Aha! Whoa, guys! What's that? Look, there's something big. Could it finally be a major find? Let's run over there. Wow! Unbelievable! Look! Look! It's a car! Or what's left of it. I don't even need a metal detector to find this. Look, guys! The engine is still here, but it's covered in icicles. It's been lying here for quite a while. Apparently, Seryozha froze it here overnight on purpose so it would be harder to start. Well, don't worry. I'm a pro. If you didn't know that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. And even if you were already subscribed to my channel before, make sure to hit the bell right now, because just look at these stats. Many subscribers just don't see when my videos come out. That's why you need to turn on notifications. And do it right now. I'll be really grateful to you for that, my friends.
Well, you run fast, by the way. But didn't you think it's time to stop chatting?
35 minutes, Via.
Back off.
You know, Seryoja, you're not the only one learning from your mistakes. Yes, you made this challenge harder, but today I also came prepared and brought a whole set of tools.
Yeah, sure. Good luck to you. You still won't succeed.
All right, look, we're missing a wheel, but we found the wheel earlier. One wheel is in place here. The thing is, there are no rear wheels. That's a serious problem, yeah. Look what this idiot did. He just cut the car in half and left it abandoned here. But I'll handle it. Like I said, if there's an engine, I'll get out of here no matter what. First, I'll have to flip the car over. Give me strength. Hit the like button right now. If you hit like, I'll be able to flip this car over. Did you do it? Come on, don't be stingy. Hit the like button right now. Look at how long my thumb is. Let's sit at the table with the beaver. Did you hit it? Let's flip this car. 1, 2, 3. We did it together with you, our beloved subscribers. Let's think about what we should deal with next. Oh! Obviously, there's no steering wheel here. Honestly, it's hard to even call this a car anymore. Basically, it's just junk, and you can't see a thing. But I can handle this easily. This is very dangerous, so under no circumstances should you try what you see here. It's better to subscribe and watch how Via does it for you. It worked! Okay, the most important thing you need to figure out is whether there's an ignition key. There's no ignition key. Oh! With this, you'll be able to start it. You just need to insert some kind of key or something like that here, and I'll be able to start the engine. All right. Apparently, this is the fuel line. It's no coincidence that we found the gas tank somewhere over there. All right, that's that. To turn this engine over now, I'll need a battery. So we need to keep looking.
Finally figured it out. By the way, I want to remind you, you've also wasted a lot of time.
Damn! Leave me alone, Seryoja. Where's my metal detector?
You noticed, guys, right? I poured water on everything on purpose. Even if he finds that battery, the engine still won't turn over. Kulikova, just shut up.
Oh dear, let's go look for it quickly. Look, there are tracks over there. Good, we'll follow them. That foolish Seryoja is probably somewhere around here. Oh! That's Seryoja! That's not fair! Why did you give me a broken metal detector? You broke it by hitting me with it, idiot! Well, yeah! There! Look! Something near the little fir tree. There are some more tracks over there. Alright, everything here is covered with snow, because Seryoja hid everything on purpose. Oh! Here, under the little tree as well. That was a signal. Well, where is it? Seryoja, you jerk! Hid everything! There, right here. Damn, nothing. Oh, here, yes, great, yes, we have a battery. We need to hurry because there's not much time left. There's a very strong signal, white in color. That's the hood, yeah, but I don't think I'll need it to get out of here. It's an extra part in this case. There's no time to get distracted by that. Let's hurry up and carry the battery. So your head hurts less often now?
It doesn't hurt anymore when I look at you.
I found a battery, which means I can start the engine. The main thing is to figure out which is positive and which is negative, and then it's just a matter of technique.
Time is ticking, TikTok.
Tick-tock. Okay, I hope this is the negative.
Yeah, that's your time going down.
Damn, yeah, look, the terminal doesn't fit here at all. It's much bigger, so everything's the other way around. This stupid positive terminal just won't go on. It won't fit no matter what.
Oh!
Well, Sergey, it's not so funny anymore, is it?
Yeah, you have 25 minutes.
Like I said, there's no ignition key here, so I'll need something from my tools. Okay, that's not it either. Oh, this is my special tool, Gatverka.
What, Gatverka? What does that even mean?
It refers to a screwdriver shaped like a G, which is how the knight moves in chess. Do you know why it's called that?
Why?
Because you're a moose.
You'll be the moose for 25 minutes, and the $1,000 are mine.
Yeah. I'm already working on starting the engine. Oh, do you hear that? The ignition is working, starting the engine.
Oops.
Damn, the terminals. All right, let's try it, and... Great, the engine's turning over. So what? Great, but it didn't start. It's fine, I roughly remember where the gas tank is in this forest. Once we hook it up, then it'll start. Yeah, here, look. Here we have the steering wheel to steer when we leave from here, and the gas tank itself.
Oh!
There's enough fuel in there. We just need to install it and connect it.
Well, yeah.
That's all there is to it. Some of these are brake lines that Seryoja cut, and some are fuel lines. We need to figure out which is which.
It's not clear what this is at all.
This is the thickest cable, so this is probably the fuel line. Just like that. Thanks for leaving it. Yeah, Seryoja, the fuel pump inside. I think you just didn't have the brains to turn it off. Seryoja is dumb, but I'm a mechanic. I'm an engineer. By the way, let me know who you would like to be. Someone as dumb as Seryoga, or a mechanical engineer like me. Or maybe you have a different dream job. Yeah, share in the comments. I'd really like to read that.
I think the guys just want the $1,000 and less talking.
Now I'll connect the power to the gas tank. Gas tanks have a supply and a return line. The fuel that hasn't been used goes back to the gas tank. If you don't set it up correctly, all the fuel will spill out. There's only one way to check this. Now I'll turn on the ignition, and wherever it starts pouring from, that's the supply line. Whoa, that's quite a stream. That's the supply line, so everything else is the return. Now we'll connect all these tubes, and that's it. We can start the engine. Oh, there was something? Yeah, great. So, Seryoja, how do you like this outcome? And how do you like the outcome that you...
There are 20 minutes left, huh?
My whole car is already ready for the trip. I'm about to go. Let's go.
I really doubt it, because not many people have left with just one wheel.
Yeah, I know where the second wheel is. I'll install it very easily. Just as easily as this steering wheel. I need to figure something out with that wheel. I'll bring it now. Here it is. This is my very first find, a wheel, and it's a really cool one. Winter, big, yeah.
And how are you going to install it, Via, huh?
Silently somehow. With the help of some kind of stick, exactly. A suitable stick. Now I'll use it as a lever to lift the car and put the wheel on.
Yes, but that's impossible.
Oh, shut up. You're not only going to get hit with the metal detector, but also with the stick. Hold on, I'll set it up now. Just like that. I'm letting go. It's holding. You can install the wheel now. You need to put it right here.
Yeah, but if you put it on, where will you get lug nuts?
Huh? And how many nuts do you need for the wheel to stay on?
Well, at least 2.
And how many nuts are screwed on that side?
Well, 4.
That's all. I'll just twist it from that side and put 2 nuts on this side. All right, done. I've got 2 nuts. Let's go.
To tighten, like this.
1, 2.
We can drive now. Well, Seryoja, you're not so cheerful now. This time I prepared really well. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you like these kinds of challenges where I build cars out of trash. Actually, I have an idea to go to a car junkyard, buy the cheapest random stuff there, and build a car right on the spot. I'm sure I can do it, because not long ago in this video you can check out in the suggestion, I built a car from parts that I pulled out from underwater. And now, Seryoja, unfortunately you lost because I'm going to drive away in it on my own.
Yeah, on 2 wheels, right?
Yes, no problem. Damn, it's not working. Nothing's moving.
Not moving, huh? I told you I wouldn't get 2 wheels, that I was riding with you. Via, listen. Maybe you shouldn't torture yourself. Just give up and give me the $1,000. No!
Think! I missed something.
Maybe the 2 rear wheels?
Oh, shut up. They probably wouldn't have helped in the snowdrifts anyway. But if we had a sled, then yes, a sled. A sled just slides over the snow. Some kind of metal runner. A runner. A hood shaped like a runner. The hood! Ugh. I can use it as a ski. I'll put it in the back, fix it with my tool, and I'll be able to get out of here. Yes! That's the solution! Step aside!
Vera, you have 7 minutes left. How is the hood going to help you get out of here, huh? It's not wheels.
We'll use the hood as sled runners. We'll put it in place of the rear wheels.
What is he doing? I honestly don't get it. What are you doing?
Now you'll see how this is going to work. Wait, step back. Get out of here.
Maybe we can chat. Will you tell me how you did it, huh? What inspired you?
Step back. This is my sled with an internal combustion engine.
You have a minute and a half.
I stepped back. I stepped back. Hey! She's really fast. That's some speed, huh? Second. Huh. Ha! Now that's a good time. Woo! This is fun, of course, but we need to hurry. I'm almost at the road. Okay, a little to the right. That's it. Great. Excellent. I almost made it. Well, that's it. I made it. There's the road. According to the contest rules, I made it out of this abandoned forest in time. Ha! By the way, where did Seryoja get lost? Oh, there he is, by the way.
Via, you thought of that?
You need to use your head. Via referee, what's going on there?
Made it.
55 minutes. Everything's on time. Ha! $1,000. Mine. Friends, I won this challenge today. I managed to build a car out of trash and beat Seryoja at his own game. Ha! I'm awesome! Come on, send the money! Send it! Nice! Wow, a blizzard just started. Guys, if you want more fun content like this, make sure to like, leave your comments, and subscribe to the Ziz and Via channel. And also make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. This was me, Vyacheslav Izmailov. Oh, do you hear the notification sound? That's coming from my pocket. That's my phone. It's a notification, right?
Yes.
Ha! $1,000 just came in. Thanks everyone for watching. Easy money. Bye.